Hello friends, welcome to SQL Code Meeting. Today we can check joins. Okay, so joins are mainly classified as inner join, outer join, and cross join. Okay, the outer join is again classified as left join, right join, full join. This is also known as left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Okay, today we can check the inner join. So inner join will select the records that have only matching rows. Okay. So we have four tables. One is product table. This product table contains the product details. Okay. Product ID, name, and price. And the second is the customer. That contains customer ID, name, address, and email. Next is the order tables. That contains order ID, customer ID, and order date. Okay. Here in the order table, you can see here one customer ID. Okay. And the order details also we have order ID and corresponding product IDs. Okay, the order ID one has, this is the order ID one. This is the foreign key for order details. Okay, so this order ID one contains two product 3 and 4, quantity 2. Okay, product 3 4 means monitor and USB mouse. Okay, so this type of four tables we have. So we want to write a query to display which customer has orders. The output needed customer ID, customer name, address, order ID, and order date. Okay, we can execute this query. So we know that the customer details is coming from customer table, this second table, customer ID, name, address. Okay, and also we want to which customer has orders. Okay, and you can check the order table. We have customer ID. Okay, so Sara has one order, and customer James has order. Sara is also again order number 3. Okay, and here Arjun has no orders. Okay, so we will join these details. Okay, we want to write a query to display which customer has orders. Okay, so Sara and James has orders, so we want to get Sara and James only. Okay, so in that time we can use inner join because it will return only matching rows. Okay, so the query is select star from customer C on customer C, not on inner join orders. Or then we can use on keyword on C dot customer ID is equal to it is a column customer ID, right? C dot customer ID is equal to order. Also we have customer ID, order customer ID. You can just execute this query. Now we are getting I can just comment this. So now you can see we are getting customer details who has orders. Sara 2, customer ID 2 has order ID 1, and James has order ID 3, order ID 2. Okay, order ID 3 as also Sara. Okay, now we are getting proper output through inner join. The same thing we can use normal join. Okay, we don't want to use inner keyword. Here we can use join, that also inner join. Okay, so it is the same output. Okay, so now we want output, we want customer ID. Okay, so customer ID, and next we want the name. Name we need customer name. Okay, so we can give name as customer name, comma, address, comma, order ID, comma, order date. Can just execute this query. Okay, ambitious name, customer ID. So in both the tables is customer and order has also this customer ID, right? So here we can use C dot. So customer ID, name, address, and order ID and order date. Okay, same columns we can apply here also. Okay, next we can check, write a query to display the product details for each orders. Okay, so here we can check. This is another example. Okay, we have product ID, name and price, and order details table we have order ID, product ID, and their quantity. Okay, so we want to write a query to display product details of each orders. Output order ID, product name, and quantity. Okay, so here we can use order details table and product table. Okay, select the start from order details, OD, join, product table. P on OD dot product ID is equal to, what is the column? Product ID, right? So OD dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID. You can just execute this. Now we are getting the order details table, order ID, product ID, quantity, and product ID and the name also. Okay, so here we want order ID, comma, product ID. Next we want, here we can give an alias name, OD dot product ID. Next we want name we want as product name. Okay, so here we can use name as product name, comma, quantity. Okay, you can just execute this query. Now we are getting the order ID, product name, and content. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.